right now. It's
No.
RAWN.
No, it's not. What Sumpi said?
I don't know what.
She said in the group. She said something in the group. I'm going for dinner, okay? Or tell her that we're here. Already here. Lazaro, ask Pinky something. Pinky looks charming and gorgeous. She looks so friendly. No, she's not. Yes, she is. They were talking about you.
What? They're asking me something? Pinky looks charming and gorgeous. She looks so friendly. Yeah, thank you so much. That means a lot.
I like the way
you guys are really very sweet.
I like the way Pinky act and talk. She is so cute and funny at the same time. Miss Universe Asamka and Kinye Ankan Lauzotinde. They want you to talk about how they choose you as Miss Universe.
Miss
Assam. They
Universe
crown you
Assam.
as Miss Universe Assam.
Oh. See, I think I was the one who was really consistent during my journey because
You really work.
I really worked so hard for that. Before the auditions also, when I went for my training, I twisted my leg. Yes, my stage director saw me working so hard, and I feel like I'm deserving. Please let Pinky shout her name and chant the Miss Universe song. Okay, I'll do it.
She's very excited to do this.
I'm shy
Oh,
now.
Sumpis here.
Okay. Okay, guys, ready? Pinky Basumatari, Miss Universe Assam.
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 Assam. Hello, Queen.
Hello.
Over in me play chule don't putting here. Anushree, Umanga, Fasiha, and Rintadi do Samsung Berkeley. Thank you so much. Is Pinky a Kappa fan? If yes, who's our favorite group? Oh, she's busy.
No, mine was what did
Is Pinky a K-pop fan?
Yes, who's her favorite? I love BTS, Blackpink, Les Seraphim, Katsai, and there's so many. Twice.
AutoCAD.
Na 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 na. I wanna know.
What about Baby Monster?
Yeah, Baby Monster. Meow 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 meow.
Ooh.
I love K-drama.
Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo or Messi? Say it. Say it.
This
Answer.
is very controversial.
No, it's not.
No.
Say it.
No. No.
Oh my god. What's tell me? Boom boom.
Shililulu.
Huh?
This guy.
Nautok ang inti doon. Kay siya laule. I love Kesai too. Miss tunay iril to ka tunay to kansin. Tunay te kansin na zong zong tenen mo. Di kan na hiyang kan chen jia chang kan le te tarang. Oh my god, back off. Pinky back off. Assam kanya Mizoram kanchan charcha masitugon sa pahin kanchan sa kalo me na tama na mi patu. Miss, thank you. Miss, intinya talerna. Did she love Treasure? She love Treasure.
I know Treasure, but I don't stand them.
MS zote mo kutulachin. Choose or. You can choose
I love
or.
EXO.
No, you can choose or.
Huh?
You can choose or.
What or?
In Ronaldo or Messi. They tell you to choose or.
If I say Ronaldo, some of Messi
No.
Messi fans are going to
Have your favorite. The dinner is served. Yeah.
Oh, here's
Sa-
Sumpi, guys.
그렇던데 MS도 될것 같아요. Heels kamoy top 6 ka omlo mi o 6.5 om to 6 to a comfortable vaklaw.
I also want to learn
Dinner kan ba lagi?
MIZORAM's language.